Each of us creates his or her own life largely by our attitude. You can control your attitude. Set it each morning. It is our attitude toward life that determines life's attitude toward us. We get back what we put out. Others treat us as we treat them. They react to us. They only give us back a reflection of our own attitude. Most people begin their day in neutral. They will simply react to whatever confronts them. Gratitude and expectancy are the best attitude. Don't take the attitude of waiting for people to be nice to you. Be nice to them. Always keep that happy attitude. Pretend that you're holding a beautiful, fragrant bouquet. Don't wait for change. Change yourself. You must radiate success before it'll come to you. People don't have great attitudes because of great success. They have great success largely because of great attitudes. Before you can achieve the kind of life you want, you must think, act, talk, and conduct yourself in all of your affairs as with the person you wish to become. Ask yourself every morning, how can I increase my service today? Goals reflect your choice of destination. Success is not a destination, but a journey. Anyone who's on a course toward a worthy goal is successful. Success does not lie in the achievement of a goal, but in its pursuit. Success is a journey. One thing a goal must do is fill us with positive emotion when we think about it. The more intensely we feel about a goal, the more progressively we'll move toward it. Control your thoughts. Decide about that which you will think and concentrate upon. You are in charge of your life to the degree you take charge of your thoughts. Spend 1 hour every day thinking about your goal and how to get there. Whatever it is you seek in the form of rewards, you must first earn it in the form of service. Each of us serves a portion of humanity, all those with whom you come in contact. Every time we use a product or service, someone is serving us. Think not about future rewards, but about present service. Find what you can do best that renders service to others, and do it with all your might. Make the best use of what you have and what you are in the time you've been granted. We're at our very best and we're happiest when we're fully engaged in work we enjoy on the journey toward the goal we've established for ourselves. Put in motion the right cause and the right effect will take care of itself. Life can only return to you that which you sow. What do you have to sow? You have great wealth. You can think. You have talent, and you have time. Money is the harvest of our production and service. We in turn use it to obtain the production and service of others. We will receive not what we idly wish for, but what we justly earn. Our rewards will always be in exact proportion to our service. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. The human mind is much like a farmer's land. The land gives the farmer a choice. He may plant in that land whatever he chooses. The land doesn't care what is planted. It is up to the farmer to make the decision. The mind, like the land, will return what you plant, but it doesn't care what you plant. Everything that is really worthwhile in life came to us free. Our minds, our souls, our bodies, our hopes, our dreams, our ambitions, our intelligence, our love of family and children and friends and country. All these priceless possessions are free. Success is not the result of making money. Earning money is the result of success, and success is in direct proportion to our service. Your world is a living expression of how you're using and have used your mind. Every one of us is the sum total of his own thoughts. People who have goals succeed because they know where they're going. It's that simple. All you need is the plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. The more intensely we feel about an idea or a goal, the more assuredly the idea, buried deep in our subconscious, will direct us along the path to its fulfillment. Our environment, the world in which we live and work, is a mirror of our attitudes and expectations. Get into a line that you will find to be a deep personal interest, something you really enjoy spending 12 to 15 hours a day working at, and the rest of the time thinking about. The biggest mistake that you can make is to believe that you're working for somebody else. Work never killed anyone. It's worry that does the damage, and the worry would disappear if we just settle down and do the work. The key that unlocks energy is desire. It's also the key to a long and interesting life. If we expect to create any drive, any real force within ourselves, we have to get excited. Learn to enjoy every minute of your life. Be happy now. Don't wait for something outside of yourself to make you happy in the future. Think how really precious is the time you have to spend, whether it's at work or with your family. Every minute should be enjoyed and savored